Picture Windows Manassas, Virginia, is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Manassas window installation services ensure that your home or commercial space is equipped with the latest technology to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Custom window designs in Manassas, Virginia, offer a personalized touch, allowing you to choose from a variety of styles and materials that best suit your needs. Energy-efficient windows in Manassas are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. These windows are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on energy bills. Manassas window replacement services provide a seamless transition from old, inefficient windows to new, high-performance models. Picture Windows Manassas are a popular choice due to their durability, low maintenance, and cost-effectiveness. These windows are available in various styles, including double-hung windows, which are favored for their classic look and ease of use. Double-hung windows in Manassas, VA, offer excellent ventilation and are easy to clean, making them a practical choice for any home. Bay windows in Manassas, Virginia, add a touch of elegance and increase the natural light in your home. These windows create a cozy nook and enhance the architectural appeal of your property. Picture window styles in Manassas are perfect for showcasing beautiful views and bringing the outdoors inside, providing a seamless connection with nature. Window repair services in Manassas, VA, are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Whether it's a minor fix or a major overhaul, professional window repair in Manassas ensures that your windows remain in top condition. Residential windows in Manassas are designed to meet the specific needs of homeowners, offering a range of options to suit different styles and budgets. Commercial window solutions in Manassas, Virginia, cater to businesses looking to improve their building's appearance and energy efficiency. With a variety of window glass options in Manassas, businesses can choose the best fit for their needs, whether it's for privacy, security, or energy savings. Insulated windows in Manassas, VA, provide an additional layer of protection against the elements, enhancing comfort and reducing noise. Picture Windows Manassas are available in various options, including wood, aluminum, and fiberglass, each offering unique benefits. Choosing the right window frame materials in Manassas is crucial for ensuring durability and performance. Window maintenance in Manassas, Virginia is vital for prolonging the life of your windows and keeping them looking their best. Window consultation in Manassas provides expert advice on selecting the right windows for your home or business. With professional window measurement services in Manassas, VA, you can ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. Window hardware in Manassas, Virginia includes a range of options to enhance the functionality and security of your windows.